Are you a skilled trader held back by a small account? What if you could get funded up to $200,000 and scale into the millions? This video is your blueprint for the FTMO evaluation process. We'll break down both phases and reveal the common traps, giving you a clear plan to get funded. FTMO is a prop firm that finds and funds skilled traders. It solves a huge problem for traders with small accounts by providing significant capital. You pay a one-time fee for an evaluation. If you pass, you get a funded account, and the fee is refunded with your first profit split. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. FTMO is for serious traders with a proven strategy and disciplined risk management, not for gamblers who treat trading like a lottery ticket. FTMO offers challenge accounts from $10,000 to $200,000. Once you pass and become an FTMO trader, you start with an 80-20 profit split. You keep 80%. Even better is the scaling plan. With consistent profitability, you can increase your account balance by 25% every 4 months and boost your profit split to 90%. As rules can change, always check their website for the latest details. Phase 1 is the FTMO challenge, where you prove you can profit while managing risk. For a $100,000 account, here are the objectives. Profit target, 10% or $10,000. Trading period, a minimum of 4 trading days with no maximum time limit, which removes the pressure to force trades. Maximum daily loss, 5%, $5,000. This is the one challenge killer, as it includes floating losses and resets daily. Maximum overall loss, 10%, $10,000. This limit is fixed and does not reset. Meet the profit target in at least 4 trading days without violating the loss limits to pass Phase 1. Phase 2, the verification, is designed to prove your performance wasn't a fluke. The rules are almost identical with one key difference. The profit target is cut in half to 5% or $5,000 on a $100,000 account. All other rules, including the 4-day minimum and the 5% daily and 10% overall loss limits, remain the same. Since the target is lower, this phase is much less stressful. Pass this and you'll receive your FTMO account. Here are a few important rules to be aware of. First, on a standard funded FTMO account, you cannot open or close trades on certain instruments within a 2-minute window of a major news release. You can avoid this by staying out of the market or choosing a swing account, which has no news restrictions but offers lower leverage. Second, the initial maximum allocation per trader is $400,000. FTMO prohibits using the same strategy across multiple accounts, as they want to fund unique traders, not copies of a single strategy. Third, while there isn't an official consistency rule to fail you, FTMO is looking for professional traders, not gamblers who get lucky on one trade. After passing, you get a funded FTMO account. It's a demo account, but FTMO pays you a share of the virtual profits you generate. Profit targets are gone. Your only job is to respect the maximum daily and overall loss rules, which still apply. You start with an 80% profit split, with payouts available bi-weekly. The real prize is the scaling plan. To qualify for a capital increase to a 90% profit split, you need to be profitable over a 4-month period and have processed at least 2 payouts. This is the path to growing your account as a professional trader. The FTMO challenge gives skilled traders the capital they lack, but it requires professionalism and discipline. The strict rules exist to find real trading talent. The smartest approach is to risk a small, fixed percentage per trade. Most pros risk between 0.5% and 1%. This helps you survive losing streaks without hitting your drawdown limits. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit the like button and subscribe. If you're ready to start, check the link in the description. Let me know in the comments what account size you're aiming for. Thanks for watching.